Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off music and sounds on the WordSnack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon when the game is loaded in. So in a few seconds you're going to see that you have the settings section in the upper left corner of the screen, and if the music and sound is turned on, these are the first two options. You should tap on the relevant buttons to turn them off so you won't be bothered by the music and sounds while you are playing with this WordSnack application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.